Wait, what? Sir, what are you doing?
I'm working, don't worry. $5, please.
No, $5 for what?
I'm cleaning your car.
I didn't ask for that. I need gas.
I need money, I need food in my stomach. That's more important. Please give me $5.
Sir, I need gas.
No, this is $5. Only $5.
Can you stop? I don't have $5.
You don't have $5. You
No.
gotta give me the car.
What do you mean give you the
You gotta
car?
get out. Give me
This
the
is
car.
my car. What are you talking
I've been
about?
working on your car. No, it's my car
You
now.
were
I
not,
clean
but
it's
I
my
didn't
car.
ask you
Get
for-
out.
All
It's my
right, sir,
car.
what are you
No,
doing?
it's my
Sir,
car.
what
Get
are
out.
you doing?
What the fuck?
What
Get
are
out.
you doing?
Get out. This is my car. Please get out. My car now. You not give me my $5. This is my car now. Bye. Have a good day.
What is wrong with you, sir?